Next on iCarney's Garage.
YouTube, it's your boy. I'm iCarney. Seize up. And in today's video, man, we have a crazy video, man. Today, we have insane road rage with rolling coal attacks, man. This is a crazy video. But before we get into today's video, man, make sure you got your snacks, because you know I got mine. I ain't gonna lie, man. I love trolleys. I'm really a Sour Patch type of guy, but today, I got a chicken tender sub. And you know, I had to get my trolleys with it, man. We're gonna need some snack sauce in this video, because this is gonna be a crazy video. This video was posted 2 years ago, and it's currently at 1.9 views. Let's get into it, man. You guys are gonna get my full first reaction right here. I've never watched this video yet. It popped up, and I thought it had to be something. It's got 1.9 million views, man. Let's get into it.
Yeah, put it on YouTube. Make yourself famous. Get out of the car again and see what happens.
But before we get to that, let's start all the way at the beginning. Kurt says that after watching so many videos of pickup truck drivers deliberately rolling coal on Teslas, he was pretty sure he would encounter one someday, especially since he lives in Texas. Well, Kurt wasn't disappointed. When a lifted Ford pickup truck passed him, he immediately had the feeling that this would be the day he was going to be a coal rolling victim.
This guy's not even rolling.
Sure enough, the Ford driver rolled coal on Kurt right as he was passing.
Oh, this guy's dumping. Oh, this guy's dumping. Oh, this guy's dumping. We're at 6'7".
Now, this is usually where these kinds of videos end, but Kurt saw that the truck had pulled into a gas station and decided to follow him.
How did this whole thing even start? This guy's like 2 cars in front of him, and he just pulls up behind him in the gas station, but how does this truck owner know that this guy's coming after him?
Hardcore, and at this point, Kurt felt like he had everything he needed.
License plate says hardcore. All of us diesel owners always gotta have something custom on our plate, man.
He passed the truck driver very deliberately when he had a chance, and oh man, the guy was furious.
Oh Lord. This guy's pulling up behind his tailgate all crazy.
He immediately started following Kurt very closely.
This 6'7" is not even nice,
out of the
bro.
truck to confront Kurt.
That front bumper's ugly.
When Kurt stopped and got out too.
The guy gets out? Oh! Oh, the Tesla driver gets out too. Oh, already to his face, already to his face.
Kurt says
no
the guy was
way.
nothing but a talker who yelled and made comments about these.
Oh my God! Right into his face.
Well,
oh, this guy has a knife.
Which is
that's why he's acting like that. This guy has a knife.
He's driving such a big truck.
He has a knife in his hand. You can't be all tough with a knife, though, bro. And especially that's Texas, bro. Everybody got guns. That little knife ain't gonna protect you. If that was down here in Florida, that knife, like, I'll literally laugh in his face. Okay, they're going at it.
Kurt was waiting for him to take a swing or something, but he never did. So Kurt walked back to his Tesla, and the other guy climbed back into his truck.
Oh Lord, man. So now what happened?
They both pulled out of the gas station parking lot.
They're both pulling out the gas station together.
Mr. Hardcore right on his tail. At this point, Kurt definitely felt like the guy was very unpredictable.
Oh my God. They're turning out of the gas station. Hardcore's behind him. This guy is gonna have some bigger injectors than that 6'7", bro.
Kurt figured the pickup driver would try to roll coal on him again, so he stayed in the left lane since the pickup
on the right side.
Was on the right side.
Oh shoot, he's trying to get away from the guy. That guy's dumping out the gas station, bro.
Blowing black smoke all over the place
while
trying to catch up with Kurt.
Oh, he's stepping on it. He's trying to catch up to the Tesla again after leaving the gas station. He's dumping. He's rolling. Oh my God, he's on the Tesla's ass. Oh shit.
When they approached a red light,
they got to the red light.
Oh
my God, they're pulling up to the red light.
Pulled up next to him. Let's
jump
left
side of
over
the
to Kurt's
truck,
aftermarket dash cam that also records audio.
Oh man, they're pulling up to the red light. They're pulling up to the red light.
Kurt's wife was afraid of what the truck driver would do next, and what happened next is actually really hard to describe. Was this some sort of water bottle magic trick?
Oh my God, he's throwing water out the window?
We're not sure if this was the effect he was going for, since it looks like he poured most of the water into his own truck. He then went right back to talking about the size of Kurt's privates.
He's talking about the size of the Tesla owners. Saying that the Tesla owner has a
Kurt pulled out his phone to get a better audio recording in case things continued to escalate. Mr. Hardcore noticed, and that's when he put on his talk show. Let's take a look at that phone recording.
Oh my God, bro. This guy.
Get down and film it, dude. You cut people off with your Tesla. Yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
That's a you cut people off trying to wreck them. Yeah, put it on YouTube.
Bro,
Make
this is
yourself
like,
famous.
this is
Get out of the car
ridiculous,
again
bro.
and see what happens. Your wife's embarrassed. She'd rather be with a real man.
Your wife's embarrassed. She wants to be with a real man. You're trying to get under his skin. Gosh damn, I only got one more trophy left. Alright, 5 minutes. We only got 53 seconds left anyways. Oh my God, bro. Truck's behind him.
After the traffic light, the guy finally gave up, making a U-turn before running away. Kurt thinks he finally figured out that he wasn't going to be able to keep up with his Model X
Tesla did
performance,
0 to
which does
60
0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds.
Left the guy.
Kurt filed a complaint with the North Central Texas Council of Governments, and he'll also report the incident to the local police station to see if they can issue the pickup driver a citation.
Dude, he talked
Texas
to
law
the state
enforcement
about the guy
agencies
in the
are
truck.
able to issue citations with fines up to $1,000 to drivers operating a smoking vehicle on any roadway. Kurt also wanted to shout out his kids Allison and Zachary, and he sent along this message: Never back down from a bully.
Oh my God. Oh, that makes so much sense. So basically in Texas, I did hear that rolling coal is I think illegal in Texas. They have like some type of driving emissions thing where they pretty much every year when you go to the DMV to renew your license, I guess they check your truck's exhaust to see if it's maybe too loud or if you've been rolling coal. So this guy reported this guy to the state of Texas, and they can issue this guy up to $1,000 fine because of all the coal that the guy was dumping. And this Tesla guy in the Tesla got it on recording, so he could easily show it to the states. And with the tag, that's the worst part about this whole video. The guy's tag was shown in the video. That's like the worst part of this video. So this guy could show it to the states. Look, this is his tag number, hardcore. You know, he lives in the state of Texas. He has his Texas tag. Bro, that sucks, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. That was the end of the video, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it real. That guy's a bad example for us truck owners. And the reason why I say this is because I'm not gonna lie, bro. There's been times where I've been on the road before and somebody pisses me off, and I drive right, like I honk at them and I drive right around them, and I might dump a little coal on them. Yeah. It's fun, you know. Rolling coal for us is fun. You know, and yeah, of course, sometimes I guess we do it out of anger if you piss us off on the road. But the way that this guy looks like he's about in his, I'll give it to him mid-30s. I'd give to him mid-30s, probably late 30s, early 40s, you know, mid-40s. And the fact that he was acting like a little kid, like he stopped on the road and he's like, oh, you've got a little, and then talking about the guy's wife saying that, you know, she wants to be with a real man. I guess he feels like he's a man because he's riding in a big truck, but really he's a kid. Acting like that was super, super inappropriate, bro. And that does not represent us truck owners at all. Don't get me wrong, like I said, yeah, people piss me off all the time too, and I go around them, I might honk at them, I might go around them, and I might roll a little bit of coal on them. Yeah, you piss me off, but I'm not gonna be extra. Just what this guy did was extra. Like for me, for an example, if I was driving that truck, and I was, you know, all the guy did was drive past the guy in the Tesla and dump coal on him. Personally, I don't even know how they got into that altercation because, first of all, the guy passes the Tesla, dumps coal, he passes the Tesla, and then the guy's about 2 or 3 cars in front of the Tesla, and the Tesla just followed him into the gas station. You feel me? Like, I don't know how the guy already knew that the Tesla was gonna cause problems with him. I don't know if these guys have ran into problems before on the street before. You know, I have no idea how that happened, bro. It just looked like that day that it was meant for them to start beefing. I don't know how that guy was able to handle that other dude being in the other dude's face. I don't understand it. I don't even know. The fact that that guy came up with a knife, you feel me? That guy came up with a knife in his hand. I would have just swung on him for being in my face. And my excuse would have been like, hey, first of all, this guy's coming up to you with a knife in his hand, bro. I get it. If he doesn't swing it, whatever, but that's already a threat. Holding a pocket knife in your hand and walking up to my face is already a threat. I'm gonna take off on you, bro. But that guy's a horrible example for us truck owners, man. I'm not gonna lie. That video was crazy, and I could see why it's at 1.9 million views. I could see why. I'm not gonna lie. I could definitely see why. That was a crazy video, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. My name's iCarney's Garage. Today at iCarney's Garage, man, we reacted to this video. Hope you guys had your snacks. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Listen, if I put a smile on your face, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.